Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at the 2026 rise of Mistral AI. While the tech world often looks to Silicon Valley, this French tech powerhouse has officially become the most credible alternative to the American giants by focusing on efficiency, open-weight models, and European data sovereignty. Let's get right into the breakdown of how it stacks up in March 2026. The 2026 model lineup. Mistral doesn't try to do everything. It focuses on being the fastest and most precise tool for specific tasks. Mistral Large 3, this is the flagship. In 2026, it is neck and neck with Gemini 1.5 Pro and GPT-4o in logical reasoning and multilingual tasks. Mistral, this is their high-end multimodal model. It is specifically tuned for analyzing technical diagrams, blueprints, and complex engineering schemas where precision matters more than artistic flair. Mistral, still a favorite among developers. It is much lighter than Gemini 3 Pro, meaning it runs faster in your IDE while maintaining incredible accuracy for Python, Java, and C++. Why choose Mistral in 2026? Experts are pointing to three main reasons why users are switching from Gemini or ChatGPT to Mistral this year. European sovereignty and privacy. For users in the EU, Mistral is the gold standard for GDPR compliance. Because they offer transparent data processing and the ability to run models on local servers, it is the top choice for government agencies, law firms, and medical researchers who can't risk sending sensitive data to US-based clouds. Efficiency and multilingual nuance. Mistral models are dense but efficient. They often match the performance of much larger AI systems while being 30% faster. Furthermore, in 2026, Mistral remains superior at capturing the subtle cultural nuances of French, Italian, German, and Spanish compared to the more American-centric training of Gemini. Le Chat and Canvas. The user interface, Le Chat, now features Canvas, a workspace where you can edit code or text SID.